India is celebrating its first ever National Space Day. Last year, on this day, the Chandrayaan-3, the Vikram lander, landed on the moon. This achievement made India the fourth country in the world to land on the moon and the very first to reach the moon's southern polar region. The success of this mission was a source of immense pride for the country, and in recognition of this, the Indian government declared August 23rd as the National Space Day. This day honors India's growing prowess in space exploration and significant role the Indian Space Research Organization has played in advancing the nation's space capabilities. At Jawaharlal Nehru Planetarium, the excitement of National Space Day is in full swing. Today, they are hosting a variety of engaging activities and games specially designed for students, making it a day of fun and learning. Now, we will try to talk to some of the organizers and the excited students here. They are taking part in different kind of events. There is drawing competition, there is quiz competition, and everything is going on. Now, we will try to talk to the students here.
So this is the GSLV Mark III. It actually comes apart. So these are the solid rocket boosters which come off first. Then after some time the L110 stage comes off, which is a liquid fuel stage. Then the heat shield, the heat shield comes off. So then the C25 stage comes off, and then in the moon's orbit the propulsion module gets separated. Then when the lander lands, the rover comes out, and this is the rover.
Great. So, do you plan to work in space field when you grow up?
Sure.
Who helped you to make this?
I made it by myself.
Wow. And where did you learn to make all this thing?
In COVID times, I was at home, so I was very So I started to make planes, and then I came to rockets, and then when I saw Chandrayaan-3. Then I started to
It inspired you.
Yeah.
Right? Okay.
I got inspired.
So we came to know about this competition, and we filled the Google form, and we got the chance to bring our children for this school and to participate. So I feel very happy. As a science teacher, I brought them here and let them to know all more things about the space and all. And they had a very good experience. And I thank even our principal to giving us this opportunity to come here and take the students and let them participate in the program.
Today I came to Jawaharlal Nehru Planetarium. So it was good, and we performed in so many activities, and we enjoyed a lot. Thank you.
And how are you finding? What are the exciting things here?
And there is the Chandrayaan 1, 2 and 3's how the mission looks, and I saw my weight in Mercury, Venus, all the planets. It was literally shocking for me.
Okay. And do you also like to share something, whatever?
Yeah, this was a great experience for me here to come with my school, with my friends and with my teacher. It's really so nice. We have saw here so many things that's really we don't know about it, but we got to know here about it. And there are so many things that we have to learn from here, not only to see, we have to learn, and we have to say that everything is so good. And at last, I think so, moon will develop more and we will get to know so many things about it. It was good here.
Do you think sometimes in your life, will you be interested in working in this field?
Yes, obviously I will be interested to work in science field also. It's really so good and it's developing also so good. So I would like to.
Today at Jawaharlal Nehru Planetarium, we are celebrating the National Space Day, the maiden National Space Day celebrations here. On the occasion of this, we have many events. like painting competitions, pick and speak competitions, and walk-in quiz, and we have a puzzle making, puzzle arranging competitions, and also we have 2 lectures today on the moon. So it is to showcase the achievement of the Chandrayaan mission. So the milestone that has been achieved by the Chandrayaan mission in by landing it on the moon. So, as usual, the Bangalore crowd, Bangalore people are very enthusiastic in participating in any of the science programs. So today also we are seeing about more than 2,000 people coming to planetarium and participating in various things. And also the major attraction at planetarium is the Sky Theatre show. So people are also enthusiastically participating in all these things.